part 2 about the epic motorcycle ride adventure through Cambodia. And we're talking about going from Battambang to Sihanoukville, or actually probably to, oh no. Well, low battery there. Anyway, back to it. Bloopers. Riding from Battambang to Kampot, and its total back road is probably an average of 35 kilometers per hour. And they'll be going on Highway 3 and the notorious Highway 48. I would say it's all boony towns and rice paddy. You know, like there is nothing Western. There is, you know, you probably will get a bowl of noodles with hot chilies and lemon. Yeah. Anyhow, but for sure, nearly over 500 kilometers for sure, 2-day ride, and that's going to be pretty tired at the end of the second day. Or one of you wise wise viewers is going to come up with the idea of, well, why don't you just take the train? And in fact, I'll go one better. Why not just take the bamboo train? And I believe the train does operate on some of that track. I'm not sure. But anyway, with the train, I could put my 2 big bags that I can't even carry on the bike. Yeah, and pretty much everything on the train car and my motorcycle, and avoid riding at best the last 30 or 40 kilometers is some kind of construction hell. It's like the biggest potholes and the most gravel trucks and dust. You can't hardly breathe. Yeah, and extremely dangerous. Yeah, most people did it once and they don't even want to go back. But generally, I get around all the buses and all the trucks, so I'm hopefully not eating dust. But there's times where even that is pretty risky because you can't see anything. So, on to the question of, yeah, if the train is notoriously unreliable, I've read reviews, and what else? Sometimes it may cancel that day, that week. I don't know. But as far as if I got on there and got all my stuff on there, that'd be a good way to arrive in Kampot. I wouldn't mind staying there for some uncertain amount of time. And right now I'm dealing with the visa, which I'll probably go to a travel agent and extend my visa, and that will probably cost, I think, for their service and the 3-month extension, I want to say it was like $80 or $65. Yeah, I think it was 65, but I should be getting 6 months. Would be much better. Anyway, until next time, give me some comments about trekking that road before, if you've done it, or if you plan to go out, if you happen to be in Cambodia and you're planning a trip that way. That might entice me, but other than that, I will probably take the train. Until next time.